Hi everyone, welcome to Junoon. My name is Bhanvi. Today we are going to talk about the SOPs for a cleaner. First, let us understand who a cleaner is. A cleaner is someone who is responsible for cleaning, which is about removing dust, dirt from things and places, especially in a house. Now, what are the different duties of a cleaner? First, cleaning tasks like mopping, sweeping, vacuuming, etc. Second, coordinating other cleaning activities with the rest of the cleaning staff. Third, reordering supplies like toilet paper, paper napkins, etc. Fourth, ordering new supplies as and when needed. And fifth, quickly cleaning broken glasses, spills, and other messes. What are the different job titles of a cleaner? First, janitor. Second, housekeeper. Third, industrial cleaner. And fourth, cleaning crew. Let us now have a look at the job responsibilities of a cleaner. First, clean and supply the designated facility areas. Second, perform various cleaning tasks like sweeping, mopping, dusting, vacuuming, restroom cleaning, etc. Third, perform and track maintenance activities. Fourth, perform and track routine inspection. Fifth, notify the management in case there is a need for repair and intervention. Sixth, cooperate with rest of the staff. Seventh, make adjustments and perform minor repairs. Eighth, follow all health and safety regulations. Ninth, stock and maintain the supply rooms. Let us now talk about the checklist and best practices for a cleaner. First, do use cleaning products that are as green friendly as possible, whether you are required to or not. Second, take pre-measured systems or packets because they limit the possibility of overuse. Third, attack spills as soon as possible with focus on reducing or eliminating the stains. Fourth, use backpack vacuum systems because they improve productivity and do a great job of collecting dust particles. Fifth, before using a vacuum equipment, ensure that there is a CRI green label on it. Sixth, make sure that the cleaning products or chemicals meet the following criteria. A. Neutral pH, that is in the range of 7. B. Have few dyes, colorants or perfumes. And C. Have limited or no VOCs, that is volatile organic compounds. Seventh, remember that hard floors are more labor intensive than the carpeted areas because the soil shows on the hard floors whereas it disappears into the carpets. Eighth, ensure that the walk-off mats are kept clean so that they do not add to the soil buildup in the building. Ninth, buff the hard floors as needed to maintain gloss, or even better, work towards a matte finish that is clean and safe to work on. 10th, workload your vacuuming schedule to reflect the real world use of an area rather than going over the clean areas too often or neglecting high traffic areas until it's too late. 11th, sweep, mop, dust, or even better, vacuum using correct floor tools daily or often enough to protect the finish and to reduce the damage to floors caused by grit and soils. 12th, remember that good quality walk-off mats of correct length and type can protect the floors more than the restorative work you have to do without them. Let us now look at the different tools and technologies required by a cleaner. These are of two types. First, hand tools, and second, technologically upgraded tools. Let us first look at the different hand tools. First, sponge. It is used to clean waterproof surfaces. Second, microfiber cloths. These are used to clean wet surfaces. Third, toothbrush. It is used to clean small surfaces with limited reach. Fourth, bucket. It is used to carry water in order to clean a surface. Fifth, spray bottle. It is used to spray chemicals or soaps. Sixth, broom, dustpan and mop. These are used to wipe off or clean the dust from a surface. Seventh, scrub brush. A brush used to scrub off something from a surface. Let us now look at the technologically upgraded tools. First, vacuum. An electrical device which uses suction to collect dust and small particles from the floors. Second, polishing machine. A machine used to polish materials or surfaces. Third, floor scrubber. A cleaning device used to clean the floors. Fourth, steam vapor machine. A machine used to clean surfaces using steam vapors. Let us now look at the do's and don'ts for a cleaner. The do's. First, do clean all the carpets. Second, do use vacuum for cleaning the carpets. Third, do clean all the areas like floors, desks, tables, chairs, etc. Fourth, do use a warning board while cleaning. And fifth, do remove the wires in case electrical devices are connected before cleaning the area. The don'ts. First, don't use a dirty cloth for cleaning any surface. Second, don't leave the broom or mop at any place. Third, don't use a laundry chemical on the carpet. Fourth, don't use bleach to clean the rust. And fifth, don't forget to scrub the sneaky places where the filth loves to hibernate. Thank you so much. I hope you had a great learning time. Happy cleaning!